Folks, I want to talk to you about the 38 tree tube. Yeah, it's windy outside. There's not much we can do. We still, got that wind. Notice there's 38 in a tray. You can get an awful lot, but notice how deep they are. Notice how they have these ridges. And what happens with those ridges, the roots go in and out and in and out. So you don't get circling. It's still, the tips are going in and out, in and out. So that's a good thing. I want to show you, Tim, hopefully you can follow this. You can see the root systems on here on some tomatoes here that we've grown locally right here. And they're getting wonderful root systems. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to pull one here also. See, I'm going to pull this one. It's a little dry, but you can see how good the root systems look on that. I mean, and we all know that roots are where it's at. You want an excellent root system and you will have a better plant all the way around. And that doesn't matter whether it's a tomato plant, cabbage plant, a nursery plant, fruit, whatever. Roots are what is important. So you need to take a look at these. They're a wonderful product. They're also used for propagation, rooting cuttings and things. I'm getting ready to root some elderberry and root some willa. Of course, you can do those direct in the ground, but they'll root in here real easy too. So, hey, thank you again. We do appreciate your business. We'll talk later.